Driving has become an integral part of our daily lives, whether for commuting, running errands, or embarking on road trips. To enhance the driving experience and ensure safety and convenience, a variety of car gadgets have been developed. Here are 10 essential car gadgets that every driver should consider, each offering unique features and benefits. Let's get started. Dash cam. Dash cams are becoming increasingly popular among drivers for their ability to record everything that happens on the road. These devices provide invaluable evidence in the event of an accident or traffic violation, potentially saving you from false claims and legal troubles. High-quality dash cams offer features like loop recording, night vision, and wide-angle lenses to capture a comprehensive view of the road. Imagine driving with the peace of mind, knowing that everything is being recorded in case of an incident. Dash cams can also capture unexpected moments on the road, making your drives more interesting. Furthermore, some advanced dash cams come with GPS tracking, which logs your vehicle's speed and location, providing additional data that can be crucial in legal situations. Some models also offer parking mode, which records any impacts or movements around your parked car, adding an extra layer of security. Tire Pressure Monitoring System, TPMS. Maintaining proper tire pressure is crucial for safe driving, fuel efficiency, and prolonging tire life. A tire pressure monitoring system, TPMS, alerts you when your tire pressure is too low or too high. These systems can be installed aftermarket and typically feature sensors that transmit real-time tire pressure data to a display unit in your car. By ensuring your tires are always at optimal pressure, you can prevent accidents caused by blowouts and improve your vehicle's performance. This gadget is especially useful for long road trips, where maintaining tire health is essential. Additionally, many TPMS units come with temperature sensors that alert you if your tires are overheating, which can be an early warning sign of impending tire failure. This feature is particularly valuable during hot weather or for vehicles that carry heavy loads. Bluetooth Car Kit. A Bluetooth car kit allows you to make hands-free calls, stream music, and use voice commands while driving, ensuring your focus remains on the road. These kits can be easily installed in most vehicles and typically include a microphone and speaker for clear communication. With a Bluetooth car kit, you can stay connected without compromising safety. Some advanced models also support voice assistants like Siri or Google Assistant, making it even easier to control your device with minimal distraction. In addition to enhancing safety, Bluetooth car kits often feature noise-canceling technology that ensures clear audio quality, even in noisy driving conditions. This allows you to conduct business calls or listen to your favorite playlists without interference, enhancing your overall driving experience. GPS Navigation System. While many drivers rely on their smartphones for navigation, a dedicated GPS system offers several advantages. GPS navigation systems provide real-time traffic updates, alternative routes, and points of interest without draining your phone's battery or data plan. These devices are designed to be easily visible and accessible, ensuring you never miss a turn. High-end GPS units also offer voice-guided directions, lane assistance, and 3D maps for an enhanced navigation experience. For frequent travelers or those exploring new areas, a reliable GPS system is indispensable. Moreover, some advanced GPS units come with lifetime map updates, ensuring that you always have the most current information at your fingertips. This is especially useful for avoiding new road constructions or changes in traffic patterns. Car Diagnostic Tool. A car diagnostic tool is essential for understanding and maintaining your vehicle's health. These tools connect to your car's OBD-II port and provide real-time data on various systems, such as engine performance, emissions, and fuel efficiency. By identifying potential issues early, you can avoid costly repairs and ensure your car runs smoothly. Advanced diagnostic tools can also clear error codes and offer detailed explanations of problems, making it easier for you to understand and address any issues. This gadget empowers you to perform basic diagnostics yourself, potentially saving you time and money spent on visits to the mechanic. Some diagnostic tools also feature smartphone apps that provide intuitive interfaces and detailed reports, making car maintenance more accessible to everyday drivers. Portable Jump Starter. A portable jump starter is a lifesaver in situations where your car battery dies unexpectedly. Unlike traditional jumper cables, a portable jump starter doesn't require another vehicle to provide a boost. These compact devices come with built-in batteries capable of jump-starting your car multiple times on a single charge. Many models also include USB ports for charging your devices and built-in flashlights for added convenience. Having a portable jump starter in your car ensures you're never stranded due to a dead battery. Furthermore, some advanced models feature air compressors, allowing you to inflate your tires if needed, adding even more utility to this versatile gadget. In addition to jump-starting cars, many units can also power other 12V accessories, making them valuable tools for camping, outdoor activities, and emergency situations. Car phone mount. A car phone mount is a simple yet essential gadget that keeps your smartphone within easy reach while driving. These mounts securely hold your phone in place, allowing you to use navigation apps, answer calls, and control music without taking your eyes off the road. Look for mounts that offer adjustable viewing angles, strong grips, and easy installation. Some advanced models even feature wireless charging capabilities, ensuring your phone stays powered up on the go. By keeping your phone securely mounted, you can maintain a hands-free experience that enhances both safety and convenience. Additionally, some mounts are designed to fit into air vents or adhere to dashboards and windshields, providing flexibility in placement based on your preference and vehicle layout. Smart Tire Safety Monitor. A smart tire safety monitor goes beyond traditional TPMS by providing real-time data on tire temperature and pressure directly to your smartphone. These monitors can alert you to slow leaks, sudden changes in pressure, and other potential issues that could compromise your safety. By continuously monitoring your tires, you can prevent blowouts and ensure optimal driving conditions. This gadget is particularly useful for long-distance travelers and those driving in extreme weather conditions. Advanced smart tire monitors often include data logging and trend analysis, allowing you to identify patterns and proactively address recurring tire issues before they become critical problems. Additionally, the integration with smartphone apps means you can receive alerts and monitor your tire health from anywhere, providing peace of mind whether you're driving or away from your vehicle. Wireless backup camera. Parking and reversing can be challenging, especially in tight spaces or low visibility conditions. A wireless backup camera provides a clear view of what's behind your vehicle, making parking and reversing safer and easier. These cameras typically connect to a display unit or your smartphone, offering real-time video feed with guidelines to assist in maneuvering. Installing a wireless backup camera reduces the risk of collisions and enhances overall driving safety. Some advanced models also offer additional features, such as night vision, wide-angle lenses, and parking sensors, providing even greater assistance in various driving conditions. This added visibility can be especially beneficial for larger vehicles like trucks and SUVs, where blind spots are more significant. The ease of installation and the flexibility of wireless connectivity make these cameras an attractive option for enhancing the safety features of older vehicles as well. Car air purifier. A car air purifier ensures that the air inside your vehicle remains clean and fresh, free from pollutants, allergens, and unpleasant odors. These devices use HEPA filters and ionizers to remove particles and improve air quality. A car air purifier is especially beneficial for drivers with allergies or those who spend a lot of time in their vehicles. By maintaining clean air, you can enjoy a healthier and more pleasant driving environment. Additionally, some air purifiers come with built-in aromatherapy features, allowing you to enjoy your favorite scents, while ensuring that the air inside your car is fresh and clean. This dual functionality enhances your overall comfort and well-being during drives. Modern air purifiers are also designed to be compact and unobtrusive, fitting easily into your car's cup holder or dashboard area, ensuring that you can breathe easy without compromising on space or convenience. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the top 10 must-have gadgets for 2024. If you enjoyed this content, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more in-depth tech reviews, news, and updates on the latest innovations. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.